The tornado crosses the road ahead as hail pounds the windscreen, and you wonder if this chase has finally gone too far. 6 hours earlier, you wake in a roadside motel and check the forecast before your boots touch the floor. Coffee beside you, you compare radar, satellite imagery, surface observations, and models to choose today's target. The target is uncertain, so you mark 2 areas and accept that hundreds of miles may lead nowhere. You charge cameras, radios, batteries, and laptops because dead equipment can end a chase early. You check tires, fuel, coolant, and the spare wheel because the SUV is your mobile office. By late morning, you are crossing open country while new data slowly narrows the target. Every fuel stop is fast. Fill the tank, grab food, check observations, and leave. Then warmer air, stronger winds, and growing clouds begin appearing exactly where you hoped. You park beside open farmland and wait beneath a sky that still looks harmless. Waiting is much of the job, and some days those clouds never become anything. Then one tower suddenly explodes upward, and the quiet afternoon becomes a race. You reposition while radar shows the storm strengthening and becoming more organized. Rain darkens the horizon, lightning increases, and deep thunder finally reaches the car. Now you watch for storm structure, wind, hail, rotation, and anything dangerous enough to report. A burst of hail covers the road, forcing you to slow while the storm pulls away. For several frustrating minutes, bad roads and heavy rain destroy your carefully chosen view. This is the unglamorous reality. Missed turns, blocked views, poor data, and constant uncertainty. Then you escape the rain and see the entire rotating storm base across the horizon. Excitement hits instantly, but experience tells you to stay calm and keep an escape route. You stop, set one camera, and watch a lowering cloud base tighten beneath the storm. Dust rises in the distance, but you wait for clear evidence before calling it a tornado. Seconds later, rotation reaches the ground, and the shape becomes unmistakable. You report its location and movement, then return your attention to the road. The tornado grows larger, but you move sideways to maintain distance instead of getting closer. Then the storm turns, and your planned route is suddenly no longer safe. You abandon the shot and take the longer road, rather than gamble for better footage. Heavy rain swallows the landscape while radar shows the strongest part of the storm closing in. For several tense minutes, your world becomes headlights, wipers, road markings, and decisions. Then the sky brightens, the rain weakens, and you emerge with the storm behind you. You stop safely and discover the tornado is still visible across the open landscape. For a moment you barely speak, because this kind of power never becomes ordinary. Eventually the tornado fades, but reports of damage begin appearing. You drive cautiously only where roads remain open, watching for debris, flooding, and emergency vehicles. A damaged farm building instantly turns the chase from excitement into consequence. You document useful observations from a safe location and stay clear of emergency crews. At dusk, another storm develops, but fatigue and poor visibility make the decision for you. You end the chase because knowing when to stop matters as much as knowing when to go. Dinner comes from a petrol station while you review footage beneath fluorescent lights. Back at the motel, you copy every photo and video onto separate drives. You clean lenses, dry equipment, recharge batteries, and inspect the SUV for damage. Then you log what formed, what you saw, what you missed, and which decisions mattered. Many chase days end with nothing but fuel receipts, bad food, and empty road miles. Tomorrow you will check the forecast again, because the next storm may form hundreds of miles away. Would you spend your life driving towards storms everyone else escapes? And which dangerous life should we experience next?